Ever been caught mid-shoot with that dreaded memory card full message flashing on your screen? Let's make sure that never happens again. First, power on your Nikon Z30 and press the menu button located on the back of the camera. Navigate to the setup menu, usually represented by a wrench icon. Use the multi-selector dial, those up and down arrows, to scroll through the menu options until you find it. Press OK to enter the setup menu. Inside the setup menu, scroll down until you find the card format option. Don't worry, we're not going to format the card just yet. This is just where the information is located. Press OK again. Now, instead of selecting format, look closely at the screen. You'll see information about the number of remaining shots you can take, typically displayed for both photos and video. Below that, it tells you the total capacity of your card and the amount of space remaining. Knowing this information will help you manage your files and avoid those frustrating interruptions. Now you can shoot with confidence, knowing exactly how much space you have left on your SD card.